Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn environment studies, and in that we are going to learn very important lesson because it is going to help you in your daily life. Do you know why? In last video we have learned about the my body, right? We have learned about the my body, and in that we have learned that our body is made up of different parts, many parts, and each part is very important. We should keep our body clean and everything. So on that basis today we are going to learn about the healthy habits. Before I start my lesson, let me tell you one thing. Habit means what? Habit means the thing which we do often, right? जो हम बार बार करते हैं, that becomes our habit. Now you must be telling कि teacher healthy habit means जो हम healthy है, हमारे लिए good है, right? That habit we should develop. In that lesson, in this lesson we are going to learn about it. आज हम देखेंगे कि कैसे कैसे. So first thing I will tell you that कि our body is made up of different parts, right? Our body is made up of different parts that we have learned, that eyes, ears, nose, tongue, neck, shoulder, everything, right? We have learned about it, and we should take good care of our body. That also I have told in last lecture, and even I am telling you today that we should take a good care of our body, and we should keep it clean, right? How can we keep our body clean? By taking bath every day, right? And we should develop by keeping our body clean and our surrounding clean. We can stay healthy. Healthy means तंदुरुस्त, means कम बीमार पड़ना, right? तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे है ना कि healthy है ये, right? So we should be like that. Now some healthy habits will be like what? कुछ healthy habits कैसी होगी? Do you know that? That first will be eating proper food. You should eat food that is good for our health. जो हमारी body के लिए, जो हमारी health के लिए अच्छा खाना है, that only we should eat, right? Every day we should not cry. मम्मी कुरकुरे ही खाना है आज तो. Don't do that. आज तो सिर्फ बिस्किट खाएंगे. No, but you should eat vegetables, fruits, drinking milk, right? They are the healthy food which gives nutrition, which gives vitamins, energy to your body to play, right? And to run and to walk and do all your other activities. It helps you in study also. So please eat good food, right? You can eat sometimes packet food, but not every day. So you should eat good food which your mummy is preparing for you. So eating good food is a good habit. Then second will be, we should drink plenty of water. Plenty of means बहुत सारा. Plenty of clean water, right? In this picture I have shown you that drink more water. Sometimes in playing or in our daily life we forget to drink water, sufficient water which our body requires, right? So we should drink it. Very importantly, it is very important for our body, right? Otherwise we feel tired. अगर हम पानी कम पिएंगे ना तो हमें थकान लगेगी. So we should drink plenty of more water, and we should drink it clean. साफ पानी पीना चाहिए. Otherwise what happen, you can see in the next picture that it is uncovered water picture, right? जो उसके ऊपर cover नहीं किया है. ऐसे में से it's a dirty water, and if you will drink you will get ill. That makes us ill. Why? Because it is having germs. You can see in the picture, right? Germs दिखते हैं, right? So germs, under uncovered water will have a germs in it, and they will make us sick if we drink this water. So we should drink clean water, and we should drink more water, plenty of water. That is also a good habit. You can see in the picture some healthy food like milk, vegetables, fruits, eggs, fish, right? Those who are eating, that is a good food, right? So it is a healthy food. Now this our body, पूरा दिन if we play, or if we write, or if we do some activities, what will happen? We will get tired, right? हम थक जाएंगे. कई बार बोलते हैं ना कि मम्मी टुडे आई एम फीलिंग वेरी टायर्ड, आज मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ, प्लीज डोंट टेल मी टू राइट मोर, आई डोंट वांट टू प्ले. So that means your body needs rest too. आपकी बॉडी को भी रेस्ट चाहिए. आवर बॉडी नीड्स रेस्ट टू, राइट बेटा. सो वी शुड टेक प्रॉपर रेस्ट, है ना. अच्छे से रेस्ट लेना चाहिए. मीन्स व्हाट? ओनली 2 hours स्लीप विल बी इनफ. और दोपहर में 2 hours हो गए तो रात को चलेगा देरी तक इफ वी आर अवेक? नो, वी शुड टेक एटलीस्ट 8 to 10 hours sleep, right, to keep our body healthy. If you will get enough sleep, you will be happy and healthy. जिस दिन कम सोने मिलेगा उस दिन क्या होता है? सुबह में उठ के मम्मी मूड नहीं है, कंटाला आता है, राइट. वी फील बोर्ड और वी फील टायर्ड, राइट. वी कैन नॉट डू अवर वर्क प्रॉपरली. सो वी शुड गेट एटलीस्ट 8 to 10 hours sleep, and those children who are sleeping well are happy and healthy. So giving a rest to our body is also very important. Now we should, it should not be like that that nowadays if we are getting mobile and we will play on mobile only. No, right? It is not a playing. So our body, to keep our body fit and fine, to be healthy, we should play games. We should play games outside, and we should give exercise to our body. You can see in the picture that children are playing the games and doing the exercise like jogging, swimming, and some are doing yogas and some physical exercise they are doing. So we should do all this on our daily basis, right? So that will also help to keep our body healthy, right? And if you are doing all these things, that is fine, right? बहुत अच्छा है that you are eating proper food, good food, and if you are taking proper rest, drinking water, plenty of water, and doing exercise and playing and eating everything. If you are doing, then it is a good habit. Then your body will be fit and fine. It will be healthy. Now, the more important thing is to keep your body clean, staying clean, right? If we are not keeping our body clean, then what will happen? We will fall sick, right? I will tell you one story at the end of the lesson, right? What happened if a boy was not keeping his body clean and was dirty, then what happened to him, right? So, now if we are not keeping our body clean, we may fall sick. So if we keep our body clean, then we will stay what? Healthy, right? So some good habits you should follow every day, right? After waking up, what we should do? First thing, drinking milk. No, we should brush our teeth, right? And we should brush our teeth twice in a day, right? दिन में 2 बार brush करना चाहिए. Like what? One in the morning while we are waking up, हम उठते हैं तब, and one before going to bed, सोने से पहले, to keep our teeth clean, right? To keep our teeth clean and mouth clean. So brushing is a very important. You should brush your teeth twice a day, right? Then cutting your nails, right, when they grow long, because if you don't cut your nails, they will contain germs inside, right? उसमें germs हो जाएंगे, गंदा हो जाएगा सब इसमें, right? Dirt will be there, and if you will eat by that hand, with that hand, what will happen? You will fall sick, आप बीमार पड़ जाओगे. So cut your nails when they grow long. Now, very important. When we go for a play outside, or nowadays when we are going outside, when we come inside the house, first thing what we should do? We should wash our hands with soap and water. After playing or after eating or before eating, we should wash our hands. So before eating, after playing, and after coming from the outside, we should wash our hands properly with soap and water. Now washing our hands with a soap and water after using toilets too, right? जब आप टॉयलेट यूज़ करते हो, आप जाते हो, तो जब टॉयलेट से बाहर आते तो ऐसे बस ऐसे ऐसे करके नहीं आने का. No, don't do that. Wash your hands with soap and water, right? So you will not fall sick. आप बीमार नहीं पड़ोगे. Because that toilet, जब टॉयलेट जाके तब उस हमारे हाथ में भी germs होते हैं. So just keep it clean, right? Make it clean. Now we should have a bath with soap and water every day, right? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आज नहीं बात नहीं लेंगे तो चलेगा. It's okay. No, don't do that, right? We should have a bath with soap and water every day to keep our body clean, and then only we will be staying healthy, right? Then we should wear clean clothes. We should not wear dirty clothes. अच्छे लगेंगे गंदे कपड़े जिसमें stains लगे होंगे, दाग लगे होंगे, will be smelling, गंदी smell आ रही होगी, right? Bad smell आ रही होगी. No, right? So we should wear clean clothes. Then washing and combing our hair, right? We should take care of our hair too. We should wash our hands and we should comb, means बाल को बनाना, right? ऐसे ही नहीं रखने के. So we should wash and comb our hair regularly. So these are the good some habits which we should follow to keep our body clean. हमारी body को clean रखने के लिए, healthy रखने के लिए, these are the habits that we should follow every day, right? रोज करना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं कि आज किया तो चलेगा. I was telling you about a boy, right? मैंने बोला था ना, आपको story बताते हैं teacher. There was a one boy named Tom, right? And Tom was like very lazy, बहुत lazy लड़का था. And what he was doing, right? You know that he was just sitting in his room. In that room only he will eat and keep the wrappers and the plates inside that room only. He will not take bath every day. He will not wash his hand after eating and before eating and playing and anything. And he was keeping his room very untidy. बहुत गंदा रखता था उसका room. Then in the beginning it was okay. He was enjoying this. कि चलो अच्छा है, कोई ये नहीं, सब कुछ चलता है. But after some time his room became like a garbage bag, right? उसका room पूरा कचरा हो गया. And then the germs and the flies and the mosquitoes came and it was like a staining also. गंदी बदबू आ रही थी उसके room में से. And due to this he was not cleaning his room, he fell sick. वो बीमार पड़ गया. And then his mummy and then his friend came to his house and he saw कि भाई क्या हुआ, why you are not coming to school? तो बोले I am not feeling well. Then he advised him. उसने उसको बोला कि look at your room, look at yourself, how dirty you live. So no one will be your friend too. Please stay clean, wash your hands, take a bath every day, wash your hands, keep these wrappers in the dustbin and keep your room clean. And then he realized that as he was not keeping his room and himself clean, he was not feeling well, he was getting sick frequently. So he decided to clean his room and to keep his body clean to stay healthy. So beta, we should not be like that boy, right? Tom, कि जो अपना सब कुछ रूम भी गंदा रखता था, अपने आप को भी गंदे रखते थे. We should not do this. We should not do this, right? We should keep our body and our surroundings clean so that we can stay healthy. We can stay clean, healthy. Now, the things which are helping us to keep our body clean, and some of these are, first, in the early morning only we require it, right? Brush, toothbrush, toothpaste, then hair oil, and then soap to take a bath, comb, right? To comb our hairs, nail clipper to cut our nails, and shampoo to wash our hands. These are some things which we required to keep our body clean, clean, right beta? So we should keep our body clean, है ना? And if we are not eating proper food, before only in the beginning only I told you, right, कि हमें अच्छा खाना खाना चाहिए. If we are not eating proper food, we will not grow. we will not grow, we will be like हम छोटे ही रह जाएंगे, right? To grow, to keeping our body healthy and to grow, we should eat good food, right? And we should keep our body clean. This will only help us to stay fit. Nowadays, in this coronavirus time, we are getting, right, in a TV also, so many times we see the advertisement, and stay clean, stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands, and don't touch with your dirty hands to your face and everything, to stay healthy, to stay, right, safe. So beta, please wash your hands frequently, keep your body clean, eat proper food to stay healthy and to be strong, right, and to grow. Okay, so please listen to your mummy, whatever she says, and just follow the instructions. Okay, what will you do to stay healthy? You will keep yourself clean, right? You will maintain hygiene. And okay beta, just remember all these things, and I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Thank you.